Hey guys, so today we have a hair video and these are the products I'm going to be using. I got them all at the beauty supply store and we're just gonna do some box braids. So she's gonna get half black and half blonde. So that's what she's gonna do with her hair today. This is my sister's, by the way, you guys. So if she's making funny faces, just ignore her. But yeah. So, and she also bought this edge control, which was like $10, and it was from the rapper Sweetie. I don't really know how to pronounce her name, but yeah, it was actually extremely good and it had a really good hold. But I just thought I should put that out there because there it is. I was like really impressed by it. It was really good. But yeah, I also wanted to show you guys like how to make like a really crisp line. So all you have to do is just apply the edge control to the part and then you just part it with the comb and it just makes it look a lot cleaner. But yeah, I'm just gonna come in and out of the video to explain what I'm doing because you guys really can't see. So yeah. So I just wanted to show you guys how it is exactly that I grip the roots. So all you have to do is make her natural hair the third piece, and when you do that, you can just, after you make her hair the third piece, you grip it really tightly, but not too tightly like to hurt her head, but you guys know what I mean. And you do that, and then all you have to do is just start braiding, and it'll look pretty good. Like, that's all I do. I don't really try like all those crazy methods with the rubber bands and stuff. I just do it this way and they last like months. So yeah. So after I did the other half, this is what it's looking like. After this, I just did her edges and I put the hair in hot boiling water to seal the ends. And after that, yeah, this is basically what it's gonna look like. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.